Hello, my name is Penny and this is Penny's Art Emporium, and today I've been asked to do a lovely special little heart painting. So I'm going to be using this canvas, which is 24 centimetres by 30 centimetres, and I've picked out some really lovely colours. I've been asked to do a painting that has a nice calming type of feel to it. So I haven't got any of my fluorescent colours today. I've got some really nice soft colours. So I've got my Amsterdam pearl paints that I like to use for my balloon dips for the base of my painting. And then I will do my heart, and I've got some nice, like the metallic white is always really nice in there. And I've got some nice soft greens. This pistachio is a really lovely soft green, and my chartreuse green. And I shall be doing some leaves as well, and you know, some nice little green details with some flowers. So for my flowers, I thought I'd have some lovely soft pinks. So I've got this portrait pink, and for a contrast, there's also some quite deep magentas as well, and some nice soft metallic pinks just to add some little accents in there. So the pink flowers that will shimmer in the light with some nice little details. I've got some nice little lilacs. This is a very nice little iris colour from Artiste, which blends really nicely with, this is quite a neon purple, but it will just be nice, I think. And then this nice Liquitex one here, which is also very nice, and the metallics with the decor art. And then I've got some nice little yellows, again some that are metallic, like this nice soft pearl banana yellow, that's really lovely, and the canary yellow. And then I've got this nice orange, which is an Arteza colour. Again, it's a sort of metallic pearl colour, and this very warm sort of buttery type of yellow. And I have actually got a coral as well, which, you know, by the time I blend them all together, I just think all those little flowers will look very pretty, very soft, hopefully. And I have got a 24 karat gold and a titanium gold. I thought I would try those out as well. So I will get started with that. So I'm hoping to have a really soft flower kind of heart that will shimmer and look quite pretty, and not nearly as bright as some of my other hearts that I have done. So I'll get started with that and we'll see how that ends up. So here is this little heart. I've already outlined where the heart is going to go, and I've measured to make sure it is symmetrical and it fits right in the centre. So I'm just putting my white base down now and making sure that all my edges are nice and smooth. And it's quite important to do that right at the start, just to make that really nice. And I've left the outline of the heart just there for now, so that I don't lose that shape by covering over it with the paint. And then just using my hairdryer to smooth it out so there's no excess of paint in any areas. And then I'm just outlining the heart again with some nice pistachio there, and adding my nice pearl colours for the edge, and also the metallic white, and that will look really subtle with some nice little details around the edge, and that nice banana yellow there. So very soft colours, some nice pastel pink and some lilac, and more metallic white, and a tiny bit of copper and 24 karat gold. And now with my very small soft balloon, I'm just gently merging those colours in with the white, and because the metallic paints have a different finish, they just look really pretty when the white and the metallics merge together. And I carry on measuring to make sure that I'm keeping in the centre of the canvas, and using my little balloon again to make sure I've still got that heart completely where I want it. And with my stick, I just gently make little tendrily bits out from the pistachio green that is there, just so that it has a nice kind of edge to it really. Carry on measuring just to make sure. And now I'm choosing my colours for my flowers, and I'm just trying to balance the colours in places so that it looks symmetrical, but there's not too much of one colour in any one place, and mixing the lighter colours with the dark colours and the metallics with the more flat colours, so there's a nice blend all the way throughout. And I never know exactly what colour I'm going to use in each flower, but it doesn't really matter at this point because I can add more colours as I go along. Of gold in some of those. And now with my straw, I'm just going to make a rough kind of flower shape. It doesn't have to be exact at this stage, just so that again it's symmetrical. I do like the flowers to be the same mirror image on each side, not exactly the same, but the same colours. So I've just got some very rough shapes there. And with my stick, I thought I would just try to make some centres really to the flowers. And I can also, with my stick, shape the edges a little bit. And the edges will tend to show, and it will make a difference if I just alter the edges. And now with my balloon, you can see I just very gently just press in the centre of the flowers that I've made, and they do kind of almost disappear, but they make some very nice shapes, and that's what makes them really soft and completely changes what they look like from the beginning. So they do look completely different once I just touch the centre with those lovely soft balloons. And then I can, as I go along, just add a little bit more paint in different colours and build up those flowers. If I'm not happy with the first time that I just touch down with my balloon, I can add some more colour and I can shape them again. So you can just build it up layer by layer. It takes a little while to do this. It takes a good few hours to get one of these paintings exactly how I want it to be. And it's just having the patience to carry on with it. And there I just alter the shape again just to make sure that it's symmetrical at the top. So yes, it's just being that little bit patient, just keep layering the colours and just adjusting the shapes to how I want them to be. And then as I go on, I will add some green leaves and other little features. So I will leave you to carry on watching that, and you can see how that painting develops. So here is this little painting. I've tried to do it so that it's really delicate and so that it's very intricate and pretty, considering that it's 30 centimetres by 24 centimetres. The canvas itself is not a huge canvas, so I've tried to get as much detail into this smaller canvas that I would into a larger one. And the colours are all looking really nice and really pretty, with a nice variety of little flowers and lovely little centres. Some nice rose looking things and lilies and just really pretty looking things, and a nice mixture of actual soft colours. I always like to do my really bright colours, but I think this looks really pretty in softer, more sophisticated colours. So I'll let you see that when it is dry. So bye for now. So here is this little painting, and it's turned out really pretty. I'm really pleased with it. It's got some lovely little delicate details. I've made this little box because it's always nice to present them in something. I lined them with baking paper to make sure that there isn't any bits that will stick to the painting. I'll bring you in for a close-up. So it's just got lovely, delicate little flowers, and then that balloon dip background around the edge, which will just have little metallic features that will show nicely. It gives a nice kind of whimsical kind of effect to it, but really pretty, just little details. And I love all the colours and how some bits reflect and some bits don't and change in the light. Just really, really pretty. And it will look different again from all different angles. So there it is. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.